OKFM 101.7.
Lawyer Maurice Ampaw, a private legal practitioner, on an agent mama, champion chama Wontumi, na wamade asemi akoko to me kotie de kakra. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw me mo channel pay.
Me jo so nia, na me fa kwenya so ni hia mu nia.
Na bako de.
Adum na hwenye bako me ho ye di se papon no, aba papon no.
Me so be da se pa na. Afia je wa akode Afia Schwarzenneger. Time so why den wa behu wo sefa ne kokot.
No, I think say yen nim nia esi allegations are minua Afia they are to chairman so. And I think say me kokebi ema Jabo nia be mu na me da so tinkwemu. Since Jabo nia no still I'm still strong. Chairman so is strong. Now I think say it do time be war or may more.
Mami musa wade bi. Me share video no kakra.
Yo.
You were seen lambasting girl no now so wo can say woni kraman ya da se de. And is also your interested party ana.
No. Let me tell you something. No. Get me. I was quoting what other people have said. I'm not the source. I'm saying that.
What publishing no?
Listen to me next. I don't care. That's why if I can also go to court and sue me personally. I want that challenge.
Okay.
You see, I want that challenge. You see, there's also too much. We must stop the social media rant and run to court when there are issues. But there's a you. So if he has the gas, then I mean the gas man. Man, issue rate, no. Don't know why issue rate. Okay. No, can't say I have to say. Not gonna there. But yes, that is I so deep in that road. You see, it's an issue. Serious issue. Serious issue. No. We don't solve serious issues on social media. Serious issues are solved at the law court. Because you see, we don't win cases at in social. We can have social media court, when they say public opinion court. That court is not final. Under our law, no. The final judicial power rests with the judiciary. It is obi ni wunya asem na usi enyesa na usi say eyesa na how you feel and how I also say amount for who no usi me ni kokota. It's your right.
Okay,
right.
No. Say case no mo de akokot. Ne yenhwe de ewo mu de ntia mo de kokot no.
Oh, it's simple. It's simple. I think say we are finding difficult to say here until we are going by success service. Success service if who po be my say no. Believe that change no. And if the baby are everywhere we are not successful. The success service no. The whole content of the rate, no, from what the plaintiff is saying, and then how my drafting the statement of claim, and my claim, no, we don't want it to be published by me, Lawyer Maurice Ampaw, on social media. That is why I'm Mr. Only a name no, any really there, my clients. But my content in the amber because it's not for public consumption. We try.
Okay.
Yes, we try. No say. If you are telling my patron, we suits to prove say I found it, and then my claim also. The main content. How I started with who Kamba is, who Afua is, and then my plea. The plea here. And why I think say. My clients have been defamed. Where public education is like coming kasa.
What mami mienu pena fe yema gave for some so hiame pa. Mami mienu ba kon ye se ade no wadi ana ade no
no our cases I would say because will be a defaming wa in law no mami public education it's for me I'm not discussing the issue.
Okay, yeah.
I'm not prejudicing the matter for public education. Normally, case for court are commenting, but for public purpose no. you say one as someone the panic you know if I number one number two only panic customer and then no quarry and the worst and then no quarry no you be fufu what you say no quarry then they say yeah the case no yeah you don't know because I didn't require defense say your comfort and the end of case they say asem and no quarry na asem no amanfo yadofo yenianu mu ewiasa fele niano nipa no ka asem no yedi pakitoa or you very influential into the amasem na for both local and international amasesiano and the oyenyo abre meme clients in terms of the moral character
na me person ka ye kan bibi kakra bi se abaya no se ne mpana no abaya ne se sabi chairman ya na oyi mframa efa ho eti we mienu no enye no kre
etio eti kesa wo di kokot no o ka enye no kre pa now nipa na make it as a he who alleges must
prove okay
but I say the who ka say I know you look now the burden shift on the papuna on make allegation is a one on much low baby on no die and on the die two in from no say to me gather no we want to say gas cylinder what I say gas cylinder baby I got down from no you see how interesting the case will be. Case was the most interesting case. I saw my brother.
Law.
Yes.
I said we are moving in Jasso.
No. What are you doing? Minsha, minya kitwa A plus. Oti United with na on the assembly diagro. But you see, say A plus, but I can't attend. And Papa assembly, they need me. What I say? Who can very say Abako? About the same Abako and the book of Mount this on the matter. Many A plus, United Showbiz, I was part of the panel. A plus, no food, you don't be there, Yanka. But if for allegedly, no, A plus, only problem with that. You see the double standard. Double standard. But you also say, I never found who I can't over yearning ma. Minia, or yearning my two, or Gufio. Obi to be that way so they were die bo. Umba post to be said no. Father, Papa you treat. That if you don't know how far this thing. And you don't normally know. So who and can we and can be ala. Who interest with the more you normally as who obi wuna unim na akode yazia. O trust na o no more but can wa. Dia that catch let ma to me no. So you catch there opening bia wo Ghana I'm not for Bekuru. Oh, I got opening the other A plus. I associated with, for example, the godfather like Papaya Okokolibu, what you did, you spa.
Yeah.
You. I got A plus of what to say. What I say.
Okay.
And some important person. The map. I said we catch it for the Dixon. Who don't for the Dixon supporters. They will all come very well. The stupidity of Agrada making full statements. You see that people came out and it depends upon where you stand.
I know a quote to that. What am I? Why?
What I'm trying to say is that don't let us rubbish. You see, I was not happy. Say case for court. Never discussing. And I never prejudice about that. Public education purpose say case no court. I grow any form. Now read also mubenya copy of the reason for them ya copy through daily graphic. Was who file now who to be survey obia court or file be substitute service.
Yeah. Other of substitute service, yeah.
You not for the more say for reading ya but to daily graphic front and
but if you say well cuz I only fear baby otie ana
that meaning and I believe also Wakoma ye hunu. It is a shortcut. We say who serve you be hunu na. Who go to court? Or your process of service. I got the court for almost 3 times. So I call the fear. What could be a? Nipa no etobia obi who say who sue na na or the dodge. And now on the fear. The best way is now to let difficulty in serving. Then court will say, "Factor daily graphic mo." Ghana and there are people in the Arabic. If I read rich now, what are the same? Oh wow! Now you understand. And yes, a town rate record. You then appreciate the law. It's very important. Sometimes, we test the law. We make the law very interesting. You know, those who want to make fun of it, so say a town rate. When you do it, and now reading rates now, we will say yes. We are taking the conversation higher, and then we are saying a signal to everybody. Say, social media, and now grow the who make allegations. Now need evidence that you can be dragged to court. That's the signal I'm sending.
But as a partner, my member, now say, gay, who send some sorry, one who said, one could see a billboard, be crowd, motorway, one could bugui, and Nipabia sorry, esse, one more draggy bill, no, none we any, one cassa only a Kwame and Yamadu, lawyer, MP, Eddie Comowa for the issue. Or say, in the end, a bet to me about say, bill, no, you better pass say a more quine. So they have the right to practice that all that they want to practice. And now see you to Mukra. It's a tough idea. Say, bet me at Toha. What do you say?
Oh, before say, Niaminia penny, I may do Achano, and I don't know. Say a society is divided. Kwame, you are saying we, and then near Obipe, society, they be no right thinking members, and there are people who don't think right. There are people who are supporters of gay and those who are not supporters. But now we will use the majority. And what the majority people like, we all know, young to about the majority of Ghanaians, and know say we don't like this. And then your laws, your traditional laws, your religious beliefs, the laws of the land, and then your spirit as a Ghanaian, don't tolerate deism. It will let the minority have their say, but we have our way. The thing out there. Let them have their same. But at the end of the day, I can assure you may do say passage of the world will be positive. But because any attempt to pass the will, will paint all members of parliament black. Because in the constituency, I'm up for the Bayer campaign, say, parliament, and then can buy a way and a party will not. It's in the interest of MPP and that Baumia and Ireland chairman. The time that your call, if you were that, you pass and follow on your call, we really do that. But those who want to take over, President Mama, Baumia, and the potential future presidents in 2024, they must also put their weight behind and ensure say the bill is passed. And yes, it will be doomed for members of parliament and the ruling government.
Okay. Better say no pay law.
Better say Jamin Shrabo.
Jamin Shrabo. Okay, 101.7.
OKFM 101.7.